He rocks away in his knotted chair. Oh, it seems a dried up tune. His face, peaks and valleys, in these hills out there by view. Oh, his eyes were a gold like yellow, once white, a background for blue. That Tennessee smoky moonshine, his skin took the yellow cab too. His days were decayed driftwood, all his banks were parched cracked mud. But he tuned into the whippoorwill and enjoyed a wholesome spun. His bellows would gas not feed the fire that roared in years since past. He reveled in the dear smooth gate, the waterfalls, rocks as they glide. Oh, his hinges squeak and squall, no cushion they needed loo. One beat up over the hill donkey, missing one of his hooves. Oh, his family had no need for him, his kids could be found nowhere. I guess back in the day in his whiskey haze, he was really hard to bear. His months were numbered, his flame grew dim at the end of his book. But he basked in the rain, enjoyed nature's breath, and watched frogs as they danced in the brook. Viewed by some as isolate, for me in all colors. In the end, he accepts his fate with nature without fun. In the end, he accepts